Hey guys, I'm MCGo101. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I just want to do a quick video on how to select a hot water tank for your home. Now, as you can see, I have an older electric hot water tank. This is, I think, a 40 or 45 gallon. So I am having it replaced today. But I did want to do a quick video on why I'm replacing it, the options I had in replacing it, and what I ended up going with. So yeah, there's lots of options on the market. We'll start with why I'm replacing it. I did just move into this home just over a year ago. So getting to know the house and all the appliances, I had looked at the hot water tank, but I did not see any dates on it. So I took the serial number just recently and I looked it up right there. If you can see, if it can focus. But yeah, so that serial number, when it starts with 0306, apparently that means this tank was built in 2003. So it's 2021. That would make this tank 18 years old. I'm surprised it hasn't ruptured or exploded. B, they just don't make them like they used to. C, I do have concerns of issues, so I think it's time. Now, I am in the country, and I am on propane. I have natural gas, or sorry, propane furnace here. I considered running propane hot water tank, but after crunching some numbers, I really didn't see a huge cost savings uh, compared to running the electric. So that left me with some options. Your standard home box store has entry level hot water tanks. They start at a few $100 and go up. There's a mid level. I believe it has a slightly better warranty. I think it's like 6 or 7, maybe 8 years, depending on manufacturer. Then there were high performance models. Generally, I think they just more or less had like a longer warranty, maybe slightly better components. And then I had run across another type of hot water tank, and I'll show you. Now, this is a box store brand. It's by a company named Rheem. Probably familiar with them. But this is the Rheem Marathon tank. So this one does have a lifetime warranty. So it comes with peace of mind. Now that warranty is on the tank itself. It does not cover the parts, i.e. the elements inside, etc. Now another big bonus to this is not metal. This is like some kind of crazy plastic. I forget the name. Starts with a P, but not having that kind of metal components inside, it shouldn't corrode or rust. So yep, corrosion resistant. I'm hoping that it'll be a little more money saving and energy efficient. The whole unit without water is like 98 pounds. And yeah, no anode to replace ever. One complaint I've had from family members is a bit of a sulfur smell. So I'm curious if after replacing this, that may help with the smell. There's a good chance that the 18-year-old hot water tank has such a buildup in it that we may be getting some sulfur smell from it. Just a guess. But yeah, so now, like I say, I went with this for peace of mind. I want the lifetime warranty. It's made of plastic, so it's not going to corrode or rust or whatever. And I'm hoping it will retain heat a little better than the metal, so be a little more efficient. I don't have a lot of people in the household, so I just stuck with the 50 gallon. That's been great for us. So we're going to go with that. Plumber's on the way, and we'll update you as the job goes on, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. But yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys, welcome back. So here we have it. We have our brand new 50-gallon Marathon lifetime warranty on the tank, currently installed. Now I've had it installed for a couple days. No issues, plenty of hot water. The only thing I've had to do is I did adjust the temperature settings on the elements just a little bit. Apparently in Canada they come standard at, I believe, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just turned it down to 125. I believe that was roughly where it was. But yeah, other than that, it's been great. You can't feel any heat. Like I say, it's crazy that it's plastic. But a side note, my old water tank, when I read the specs on the side, said that it was a 3,000 watt dual element. So when choosing a hot water tank, I made sure that it was the same wattage. The reason being is I didn't want to have to get into replacing breakers, upgrading wires, or anything like that. They did have higher wattage element models for faster recovery, but I just went with the simple 3,000 watt straight replacement, keep it simple. But yeah, I went ahead and registered my warranty. Everything's looking good. The water not only still looks good, but the old sulfur smell that we had is now gone as well. So the girls are definitely happy in the house about that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thought I'd just make a quick video of my journey and my new hot water tank replacement. Why I chose this one over the other ones, and the finished product. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.